Okay, so for my directions assignment, I chose Préparez une pizza by me, Luke Ramey. Achetez des ingrédients. Choisis les pâtes. Ajoutez une sauce pizza. Ajoutez du fromage. Ajoutez pepperoni. Ne le mange pas tant qu'il fait chaud. And that's it. So I had to look a couple things, or like one thing up. It was to add, so to add pepperoni, to add cheese, to add sauce, and I also had to look up dough because I did not know what that was. This is my negative sentence. I say, do not eat the pizza while it is still hot because your mouth will burn. I eat the pizza while it's still hot a lot, so it's a mistake I make. And then right here I say to buy the ingredients. These slides are saying to add all of those ingredients to the pizza. And yeah, that's my presentation.